Good morning. Today McCain Adventures is coming from Cape Weymouth camping and cabin grounds, which is located near Portland Roads, Chile Beach, which is on the way to the tip of Cape York. Facilities are toilets, showers, hot showers that is, and they're in the middle of setting up like a communal area, 5 pits. Please take your rubbish outside. $35 per person and kids are free. You can bring your boat at Portland Roads, that's where you can launch it from. I'll show you some of the area. Toilets, showers, camping grounds. Down there is like that's where the cabins are going. The house is just there. The owners stay on the facilities. That's the communal area that Neville's working on. Water, running water, solar and lights. Dogs are allowed. There's Neville, the owner. Neil. What do you reckon, mate? All good?
All good. All good.
Too easy.
Lovely day.
Beautiful day. For more of these videos, please like us on Facebook, McCain Adventures. Please subscribe to McCain Adventures on YouTube. Please follow us on Instagram, McCain Adventures, and please visit www.mccainadventures.com.au. Have a good day.